I-94 westbound at Baker Road on 4:45 in the afternoon. Cruising along at about 35 miles an hour, and as you can see, quite a few people are passing me. Visibility is just past that semi-truck there in front of me. Taking a nice easy drive home. When I first left work 20 minutes ago, it was freezing rain. Now it's turned to all snow, and you can see in less than a half hour it's queuing up quite a bit on the road. So we're just cresting the hill past Baker Road, coming up on Parker Overpass right now. Just past exit 159 Chelsea. So we're coming up on Old US 12, and as you can see, conditions have deteriorated significantly since the last video. Still cruising along through the far. Okay, right there's a car that spun out. Looks like he smacked off the fence. Oh, there's more over there on the side. So anyways, conditions are getting worse as we head west to Jackson. Yeah, that pickup is about 10 car lengths in front of me, maybe a little less. So, and I got a woman on the left, deciding to pass me. I just knocked the cruise off because I was gaining on this truck. Nice, nasty drive home. We're down to 30 miles an hour right now. I'm definitely not in a hurry. I'm just taking it easy as a road and weather conditions allow. I love the beauty of the storm. I just don't like driving on the bad roads. Yeah, I think I'm going to set my cruise at 30. Truck over on the side of the road. Just punch that up on Waze. Well, coming in on Jackson, Elm Street Road exit here about 50 yards in front of me, and it's pretty nasty out right now. Seeing a couple more accidents. There's supposed to be one up here in front of me yet that is supposed to delay me, but I'm almost to my exit, so they may have got it cleared up already. And you can see visibility is not very good. Okay, the accident is supposed to be within the next few hundred yards in front of me. just before the next off-ramp. So according to Wave, I'm almost to it. Well, according to Wave, I'm at where the accident's supposed to be, but I don't see any cars. I think it's for the eastbound side of the road, and at times the eastbound side has been down to stop and go driving as we're coming out of Ann Arbor. Visibility just dropped down to less than 100 yards. And you can see as I pan a little left that people have got their hazards on to make themselves more visible. And the eastbound lane looks like they're creeping along at less than 20 miles an hour. Okay, it seems to be clearing up a little bit, but it looks like tapped on the brake because of the traffic slowed down, and anti-locks kicked in, and I felt myself sliding. So it is nasty out. Beautiful snowstorm, but not good for driving. M50, almost home. Coming up on Wilcott Road here. As you can see, it's pretty nasty out. Not much visibility at all. It's snowing so hard. Okay, there's a sign that shows we're coming up on, well, that was Woolhaven we're at a moment ago. But we're coming up on Murphy and Wilcott Roads. And I just slipped off the pavement there. So it's, I thought about going to sit in the park and watch the snow, but driving's too hazardous, so I'm just going to stay home and cuddle up with Heidi tonight. Do my usual thing. About to turn into my driveway. Knock the cruise off. Good. Wasn't all that slippery. Ooh, slippery here in the driveway.